9782 Villa Lorena. Three satellite dishes. It's gotta be a record. Okay, so we have what appears to be laminate flooring. These are the aluminum, I believe they're aluminum blinds. Looks like everything was freshly painted. Sorry. It looks like they did a good job with the installation. It's a lot of storage. This powder room is right across from the one-car garage. Liftmaster. We have straps and a pan on the water heater. Beautiful quartz counters. These cabinets look to me to be painted. Undermount sink, gooseneck faucet. Range looks really good. We have a pantry here and a pantry here. And there are closet door guides. So it's 1, 2 windows downstairs that need blinds, plus a vertical. And on the stairs we have one more blind. Carpet looks good. So this is window 4. They replaced the hardware. Window 5. Carpet looks good. Need a shower rod. No caulking required for this top surround, so that's one less thing. They painted these cabinets, updated the cabinet poles, and put quartz counters, upgraded mirror and light. So that's a nice touch. 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is 6 and 7. Ooh, my counter space. 8. One more shower rod. So they are the round, not the elongated toilets.